Test for phenol. Phenol is an organic compound, aromatic alcohol. We are going to check the chemical test for phenol, the confirmatory test for phenol also. I've taken a little amount of phenol here. There is a blue litmus paper. I am going to introduce this blue litmus paper. Here you can check the blue litmus is slightly turning red in color. So the blue litmus turned red. And now the chemical test for phenol. I am taking neutral ferric chloride solution. Phenol decolorizes. So phenol is otherwise known as carbolic acid. The carbolic acid releases H plus ion, and so it is acidic in nature. It turns blue litmus paper to red in color. Now we are going to check the chemical test for phenol. I am taking neutral ferric chloride, and when the neutral ferric chloride is added to this phenol, the phenol change color into violet. So violet coloration appears when we are taking neutral ferric chloride.